Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to complete the Bananite quest from the monkey in the Roblox The Forge. Okay, let's get started. First just go to Forgotten Kingdom using the portal, and then once you arrive just head to the small island at the very edge of the area. This one, like this. And then next you will find a hungry monkey like this, just talk to him. And then next you can choose one of the quests like 1 banana, 5 banana, or 30 banana nights. And the more you choose, the bigger the rewards. And then next just go back to the first island using the portal. Just go back to the first island to find the banana night like this, and then to collect it just simply mine rocks or boulders until you get it. Just mining, and then once you have enough just go back to the monkey at the second island, and then next just give it to the monkey and then just claim your rewards. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.